Launched in 1977, the most distant spacecraft from planet Earth has once more enchanted both specialists and space enthusiasts around the world, continuing to surpass expectations even after decades of travel through the deep void. Since its journey began, it has consistently delivered invaluable facts that have revolutionized humanity's knowledge of the outer reaches of the solar machine and far beyond. Recently, a famous astronomer revealed an earth-shaking finding: 775 previously unknown phenomena traveling through the vastness of interstellar space. This remarkable discovery raises profound questions about the universe and the astonishing wonders that may lie just beyond our grasp. When the spacecraft crossed into interstellar space in 2012, more than 14 billion miles away from Earth, it marked a major milestone in humanity's first foray beyond the shielded barriers of the Sun machine. From that point forward, it has served as a silent sentinel, vigilantly probing the uncharted regions that lie between stars, unveiling truths hidden in the dark fabric of the cosmos. The detection of 775 mysterious gadgets has now become one of the most compelling and alluring developments in this ongoing endeavor. Scientists and researchers are left wondering, what exactly are these objects? Could they be remnants of ancient cosmic events, debris ejected from distant planetary systems, or perhaps entirely novel phenomena never before witnessed or imagined? Although this aging probe was never designed to directly interact with such phenomena, its instruments, particularly the cosmic ray detector and plasma wave instrument, have played an essential role in analyzing the interaction between charged debris and magnetic fields throughout interstellar space. The finding of these 775 anomalies is believed to result from subtle changes in the surrounding plasma environment, or perhaps the deflection of cosmic rays as they pass through or around these mysterious objects. Though it can no longer capture direct visual evidence due to its cameras being disabled years ago to preserve energy, the data strongly indicates their presence, affirming the intricate and often unpredictable nature of interstellar space. For a long time, scientific consensus held that interstellar space was largely empty, a barren stretch sparsely dotted with the occasional star or rogue planet. But this discovery disrupts that assumption, suggesting that space might actually be populated with numerous moving objects, possibly fragments of long-dead star systems, orphaned planetary materials, or even icy bodies quietly gliding through the galactic dark. The origin of these objects remains cloaked in mystery. Are they the expelled remnants of supernova explosions, scattered across vast expanses by shock waves from dying stars, or were they perhaps formed far away in other galaxies, propelled through the void by unknown forces, eventually drifting close to our galactic neighborhood? Equally intriguing is the variety among these 775 objects. Researchers believe they may range from simple rocky chunks to more intricate structures forged in environments drastically different from those found within our sun machine. There is even speculation, however tentative, that some of these objects might be the remnants of extraterrestrial civilizations, technological artifacts left afloat through interstellar space. While this concept fuels public fascination and imagination, scientists tend to focus more on the serious ramifications such possibilities would bring. If any of the objects were indeed artificial in origin, it would imply the prior existence of intelligent life elsewhere in the cosmos, a realization that would shift the very foundation of our understanding of the universe. Despite the spacecraft's numerous accomplishments, it is still a product of 1970s engineering, and those technological limitations hamper its ability to offer more detailed data. This underlines the need for future missions equipped with advanced units capable of a deeper and more precise analysis of these interstellar phenomena. The revelation of these anomalies has accelerated the momentum for continued exploration, with various space agencies already in the planning stages of launching the next generation of interstellar probes. These missions will likely be equipped with newer technologies and instruments designed to observe these objects with unprecedented accuracy, giving scientists the ability to learn more about their properties, compositions, and behaviors. Furthermore, this discovery prompts a broader reevaluation of humankind's future in region travel. To successfully navigate interstellar space and investigate objects like these, humanity will require innovations in spacecraft design and propulsion, possibly involving ion engines, solar sails, or even nuclear fusion systems. Yet even with such advancements, the sheer scale of space presents immense challenges. One of the most pressing difficulties lies in locating and tracking these faint, fast-moving objects in an environment that is not only vast but also filled with charged debris, magnetic fields, and high-energy cosmic radiation. Missions will need to adopt creative methods, such as gravitational lensing or the deployment of sensitive new sensors that can detect minuscule changes in light and energy patterns. How these 775 objects interact with the charged plasma environment could yield crucial insights, not only about the objects themselves, but also about the dynamic materials that flow between stars. Beyond their physical traits, questions arise about their role within the larger galactic ecosystem. Are these objects lone wanderers, or are they part of a broader, possibly connected system of cosmic material shaped by gravitational forces and interstellar currents? If these anomalies are in fact remnants of ancient cosmic events, then their distribution across interstellar space could potentially reveal new clues about the formation and evolution of our galaxy. Much like the geological formations on Earth reveal the planet's history, the arrangement and motion of these objects might hold the key to tracing the life story of the Milky Way. As researchers continue to examine the data from these 775 anomalies, we may find ourselves on the brink of a greater understanding of how the universe has evolved over cosmic time. These objects might represent the building blocks of massive structures, slowly piecing together the web of matter that defines the galaxy's architecture. They could also provide rare glimpses into the early stages of planetary system development. If any of these objects are confirmed to be remnants of protoplanetary disks, those swirling clouds of gas and dust that eventually form stars and planets, then they could help scientists better understand how planetary systems emerge and evolve. The opportunity to study such materials in interstellar space could provide a unique window into processes that remain difficult to observe up close. Moreover, these discoveries influence ongoing efforts in the search for extraterrestrial life. While none of these objects directly confirm the presence of life elsewhere, their existence strengthens the idea that the universe is far more diverse and complex than once imagined. Interstellar space is known to contain organic chemical compounds, the basic ingredients of life, and it's entirely possible that some of these 775 objects may house or be coated in such materials. If even a fraction of them contain organic compounds, it would support the growing theory that life's fundamental building blocks are common throughout the cosmos. Lastly, though speculative, the possibility that some of these anomalies are artificial in nature remains an intriguing notion. Could they be ancient machines, artifacts from long-extinct civilizations, or perhaps still active devices floating silently through the galaxy? Even without direct evidence, the mere possibility challenges both scientific and philosophical assumptions about our uniqueness in the universe. The discovery of these objects opens a window to new scientific questions, technological challenges, and philosophical reflections. As humanity continues to peer outward into the unknown, this finding not only marks a turning point in interstellar research, but also reminds us of how much more there is yet to discover in the infinite cosmic sea that surrounds us.